When I started working in this industry, everything was so different. If you wanted to make a character, you had to go through all this box modeling process, that it was so hard and non-artistic, so technical, that when ZBrush came with his organic approach to organic modeling, it just felt like magic. So I had to adopt it, and it has been guiding me through my whole career in collectibles. And what's even more astonishing is that with each new release, every time Paul Gobry and Joseph Drust came with an announcement of new features, it was like Christmas Day. Stuff like Dynamesh, ZRemesher, or Live Booleans came, and I had to incorporate them in my pipeline because they were so powerful that I had to use them. I hope ZBrush keeps evolving and giving us these tools for many, many years because they have been a joy to use. Long live ZBrush. Thank you.